guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new U10 door pockets on your U10 Pro. For the installation of our door pockets, you'll remove the OEM pockets and save all the hardware, as it'll be reused during the installation. Another thing to note is the front and the rear door pockets are different. They'll be marked with cutouts on the parts so you know which one bolts to your front and which one bolts to your rear. For the first step, we'll use a T30 Torx to remove the fasteners that hold the OEM door pocket in place. With our front door panel removed, we can grab our Thumper Fab door panel and get it mounted up using the same hardware. Here you can see the cutouts provided on our U10 door pocket. U10 designates the vehicle, D for driver, and F for the front of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and use our OEM fasteners and get this pocket mounted to our door. We'll grab our same T30 Torx and get the fasteners all tightened down. Just a reminder, you don't want to over tighten these, as the threads are going into plastic and you're likely to strip the plastic out. With our front door pocket fully installed, we can move on and install our rear door pockets. Now we can repeat the same procedure for our rear door pockets. You'll remove the 4 fasteners that hold the OEM door pocket to the door. Once we get our OEM door pocket off, we'll simply replace it with our Thumper Fab door pocket. Using the same hardware you just removed, we can go ahead and fasten our door pocket to our door. Just a reminder, you want to start all 4 screws before you tighten any of them up. With all your fasteners tight, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab door pockets on your U10 Pro.